In today's Swadhyaya, we will discuss Samveda last mantra. You know the mantra, right? Bolo, mantra bolo.
Om Sutamaya.
Last Samveda. Om Swasti na
Oh yeah. Om
Indro
Swasti na Indro Vridhashravaha.
Vridhashravaha
Swasti naha Pusha Vishvavedaha. Swasti naha Tarakshayo Arishthanemihi. Swasti no Brihaspate Dadatu. Swasti no Brihaspate Dadatu.
Samveda. This is the last mantra of Samveda. Actually, on this, actually somebody asked me, can you make videos on first and last mantras of all the four Vedas? So I'll send this video to him. This is the last mantra. Okay, very very beautiful Veda mantra. This Veda mantra.
Sukhon ki Varsha.
Swasti means what? Sukhon ki Varsha. This Veda mantra comes in Rig Veda also, in Yajur also, and also in Samaveda. But in Samaveda, the last line is repeated again. Last line is repeated twice, just to indicate the chapter is ending, Veda is ending. Okay. So Vriddashravaha महान कीर्ति वाला स्वस्ति की प्रार्थना करते हैं. वी आर प्रेइंग टू परमात्मा फॉर स्वस्ति. स्वस्ति मीन्स कल्याण के लिए, सुखों की वर्षा के लिए. एंड यहाँ पर वृद्धश्रवाह महान कीर्ति वाला. एंड वृद्धश्रवाह महर्षि दयानंद सरस्वती has written in Yajurveda Bhashya. वृद्धश्रवाह मीन्स सुनना. वृद्धश्रवाह मीन्स सब कुछ सुनने वाला. You listen to me, you're listening to me now, right? But Paramatma listens at the same time of every prani, everything in this universe. Paramatma listens what is happening, like, if there is any other Prithvi, there also something is happening, he listens at the same time. Vriddhashravaha. And the one more meaning is Mahan Kirti Wala. So when you do meditation of Paramatma, everyday name jap, you must first do vichar. First you must create vichar inside your mind that who is that Paramatma. At the same time, now we are speaking. If somebody else is telling something, you will not be able to grasp. You will be able to grasp maximum one, or sometimes some people can grasp two, three things. But everything Paramatma grasps at once. So that's the Mahan Kirti Wala, Vriddhashravaha Paramatma. And Indra, जगतपति. इंद्र सर्व ऐश्वर्यवान, जगतपति परमेश्वर. नह स्वस्ति, हमें मंगल ददातु मीन्स प्रदान करें. हे परमात्मा, हमें मंगल, हमें सुखों की वर्षा कीजिए हमसे, हम पर. हमें स्वस्ति मंगल ददातु प्रदान करें. विश्ववेदाः पूषा नः स्वस्ति. विश्ववेदाः मीन्स सब. वेदा मीन्स व्हाट? ज्ञान का स्वामी, धन का स्वामी, सबका स्वामी. विश्ववेदाः पूषा, पुष्टि प्रदाता जगदीश्वर. पूषा मीन्स व्हाट? पुष्टि प्रदाता मीन्स व्हाट?
पालन पोषण.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. पूषा मीन्स पालन पोषण करने वाला. परमात्मा गिव्स अन्न, धन, पानी इत्यादि फॉर ऑल द प्राणी, नॉट ओनली फॉर अस, फॉर ऑल द जीवात्मास. परमात्मा मेक्स व्यवस्था. ही क्रिएट्स द यूनिवर्स that every Jivatma has food to eat. Every Jivatma has got some conditions to survive, right? So he is Pusha, Palan Poshan karne wala, Pushti karne wala. We say in the mantra, right? Uru Pushti Vardhanam, Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam means Pushti karne wala Paramatma, Pushti ko badhane wala Paramatma. So he is giving you bread and butter daily, so we must remember that Paramatma and thank him. Vishwavedaha, sab dhan ka swami. हे पूषा नह स्वस्ति, हमें नह स्वस्ति ददातु, हमें मंगल प्रदान कीजिए. देन अरिष्ट नेमि ही. मंगल मीन्स कल्याण, सुख, मंगलमय हो, सब कुछ मंगलमय हो. सम पीपल विल डू आशीर्वाद, राइट? मंगलमय हो. मंगल मीन्स सुख, हैप्पीनेस, ब्लिसफुलनेस इन आवर लाइफ. हे परमात्मा, यू पुश, ऐसा प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं. देन अरिष्ट नेमि ही. See here Maharaji, our Acharya ji, Swami Ram Sarup Yogacharya, he tells a very important thing here. He also says Vriddhashravaha means, hey Paramatma, Mahan, this is the last mantra of Samveda. महान सामवेद को हमने सुना है आपके कृपा से. We listened Samveda from the Acharya. हमें स्वस्ति, हमें मंगल प्रदान कीजिए. So when we listen Vedas from Acharya, Paramatma will shower his blessings on us. And Arishta Nemihi, every day in Achaman you say, right? Om Arishtani me Angani Arishtani me. You tell, right? What is Arishtani me? There are 2-3 meanings. One of the meaning is Arisht means what? Risht means hinsa. Risht means dukh, dard, etc. Arisht means hinsa rahit, ahimsa. So we are praying to Paramatma, Arishtani me Angani, may my body become, we are praying, right? When you do Achaman, Om Arishtani me Angani Tanus Tanva me Sahasantu, means, hey Paramatma, Arishtani me, let there not be any pain in my body, let nobody do hinsa to me, hey Paramatma, you must do this, have this bhavana when you do Achaman. Do you have this bhavana? Why? Tell, have you ever have this bhavana? Because we do formality when doing it. Like yesterday, one gentleman had commented in our old video. Then she is doing formality. I asked you in one of the video, do you remember the meaning of the Vedas when you chant Agnihotra? You said no in that video, right? You spoke the truth. Then he has written in so much seconds. Your daughter is told like that. So she is doing formality. Yeah, correct. She has accepted that. So from tomorrow onwards, when you do Achaman, Om Vangma Ase Astu Om Nasor Me Prano Astu, like that when you do, right? Vangme Ase Astu, hey Paramatma, by your Om, we are chanting Om, right? Hey Paramatma, by your Kripa, may the Shakti, Vani Shakti may be, Siddh ho jaye. Lamba, like, we are able to talk properly even at the old age, Paramatma ki kripa se. Then similarly, Nasor me prano astu, Akshnor me, like that we must pray to Paramatma. And Arishtani me angani tanustanva, Arishtani, na dukh ho, na dard ho, na hinsa ho sharir mein, he Paramatma. So Harishta name hi, jo hinsa se rahit, और अरिष्ट नेमी मीन्स जो दुखों से रहित परमात्मा. महाराज जी used to say, अरिष्ट नेमी ही मीन्स जिसमें कभी कोई रोग नहीं होता, वो परमात्मा अरिष्ट नेमी ही. अरिष्ट नेमी हैज मेनी मीनिंग्स एंड वन ऑफ द मीनिंग इज ऑल्सो जिनका कोई बाउंड्री नहीं है. देयर इज नो बाउंड्री फॉर परमात्मा, अरिष्ट नेमी ही. सो हे अरिष्ट नेमी ही तारक्षयः, यू आर सर्वव्यापक, यू आर सर्वंतर्यामी, यू आर परमपिता तारक्षयः. नः, हमें स्वस्ति मंगल ददातु, प्रदान कीजिए. देखिए, सी द प्रार्थना इन दिस मंत्र. अरिष्ट नेमी ही तारक्षय मीन्स व्हाट आई टोल्ड?
You didn't tell.
I told सर्वव्यापक सर्वांतर्यामी परमपिता. I told you, listen to recording again. I told. Yes, I told. You didn't listen. You were thinking about your next phone call with your friends. Am I right? I told. Okay. So सर्वव्यापक सर्वांतर्यामी परमपिता तारक्षय नः स्वस्ति ददातु. Then बृहस्पति ही, mantra says बृहस्पति ही नः स्वस्ति ददातु. बृहस्पति मीन्स बृहपति, महान वेदवाणी. बृहस्पति मीन्स महान वेदवाणी की पति, मालिक. महती वेदवाणी का अधीश्वर, सर्वज्ञानमय, प्राचीनों का भी गुरु सर्वेश. बृहस्पति मीन्स हु इज सयेश पूर्वेशाम अपि गुरुः कालेना न वच्चेदाद, राइट? So he is guru, he is the ultimate guru. This time also Maharaj ji told, in the last week Yajna, Maharaj ji told, Sayesha Purvesham Api Guruhu. Api means what? पूर्व ऋषियों का भी गुरु है और हमारा भी गुरु है परमात्मा. That is the meaning of बृहस्पति नः स्वस्ति ददातु. हमें कल्याण कीजिए, हमें मंगल प्रदान कीजिए, हम पर सुखों का वर्षा कीजिए. ऐसा we are praying to Paramatma. Okay, so this is today's Swadhyaya. I will read you the Bhavarth. Remember the Bhavarth. Tomorrow morning I will ask you again. You have to tell something.
I will.
You will read. Okay, read the Bhavarth here. Bhavarth Bhashya, you must read up to only 4 lines. Read properly.
इंद्र आदि विविध नामों से वेद में वर्णित प्रसिद्ध कीर्ति वाले सुपुष्टिदायक सर्वांतर्यामी सर्वज्ञ लय सहित समागनो
I will read. It's okay.
so pure Hindi.
It's pure Hindi, but it's okay. You have, you see, इंद्र आदि विविध नामों से वेद में वर्णित, ऐसा पढ़ना है। इंद्र आदि विविध नामों से वेद में वर्णित प्रसिद्ध कीर्ति वाले सुपुष्टिदायक सर्वांतर्यामी सर्वज्ञ लय सहित सामगानों द्वारा गाए गए जगदीश्वर के ध्यान से यथाशक्ति यथासंभव उसके गुणों को अपने आत्मा में धारण करके, see, laya sahit means what? With the swara, with the tune. We are chanting Samaveda last mantra. So we have completed the Samagana, listened from our Acharya. So laya sahit, we have listened. Samagano द्वारा गाए गए जगदीश्वर के ध्यान से. We must have dhyan of that Paramatma. When you do dhyana every day morning, don't think about your friends, don't think about your university, don't think about anything else. Think about this Paramatma who is giving you Pushti Vardhanam, who is giving you everything for our sukh. He has made this universe. We must think about that Paramatma. यथा शक्ति यथा संभव उसके गुणों को अपने आत्मा में धारण करें. यथा शक्ति यथा संभव means what? Bhargo Devasya, Paramatma is pure. So यथा शक्ति, we also must try to become pure ourselves. धारण करना है उस गुणों को. But we cannot become pure like Paramatma. But यथा संभव, whatever is possible, we must try to become. Like Paramatma झूठ नहीं बोलता, जितना हो सके we should not tell lies. Paramatma किसी को अन्याय नहीं करेंगे, तो हम भी ऐसा ही करना है. उसके गुणों में धारण करके सब मनुष्य येहिक और परमार्थिक श्रेष्ठ अस्तित्व. येहिक और परमार्थिक मीन्स बोथ भौतिक सुख एंड परमार्थिक मीन्स स्पिरिचुअल सुख, आध्यात्मिक सुख, श्रेष्ठ अस्तित्व, श्रेष्ठ मंगल और श्रेष्ठ पूजा को निरंतर प्राप्त करें. सो वी मस्ट डू निरंतर पूजा ऑफ दैट परमात्मा एंड वी मस्ट ट्राई टू होल्ड इस गुणा इनसाइड अस. भर्गो देवस्य, द मेन पर्पस ऑफ गायत्री मंत्र जाप इज upasana. Means what? Upasana. When you sit near the Havan Kund, what happens? When you sit near the Havan Kund, what happens? You feel the heat of the Agni, right? This is Upasana. You are sitting near to Agni, you are getting the pass. Upasan. Similarly, when you sit near to Paramatma, you must take the guna of Paramatma inside you. This is Upasana. If you are not taking the guna of Paramatma, you are not doing Upasana. Yata Shakti Yata Sambhav. You cannot become Sarva Vyapak, right? We cannot become Sarva Vyapak. That is guna of Paramatma. Yata Sambhav. Whatever is possible to be applied to our life, we must take it. We can try to become pure. We can try to help others, like Paramatma is Parapakari. We can also do the same thing. Like that, we must, when we do it, then Paramatma हमारे ऊपर सब मंगलमय का सब आशीर्वाद देंगे हमें. This is the तात्पर्य of this mantra. You understood? Tomorrow I'll ask this mantra again. I will send you this mantra. You must do Swadhyaya. When you don't do Swadhyaya, when you don't do repetition of the Veda mantra, you will forget it. After 1 week, if I ask you, like you said, no, you didn't say. Like that, you will say again, no, I don't remember. Again and again, 100 times, 1,000 times, 10,000 times, 100,000 times, we must repeat the mantras until such time it is not going away from us. Until such time, like do you forget to brush your teeth? Every day you brush your teeth. How? Because when you were less than 2 years, small kid, you will never brush your teeth. We used to teach you every day morning brush your teeth, even night brush your teeth. Like now you are doing automatically, nobody is telling you, because it has become your habit. Until such time you must, until like that we must revise Ved mantra and the Shastras. Okay, सबको नमस्ते. Om.